YouTube channel Brazil. I'm Ruksora. Welcome back to our channel. And today we're going to do some lessons with math, writing and reading. So let me start with math. This is first grade and we're still continuing, and it's math word problems. So in math, I like to share some things, and you guys need to know this when you're first grade. Well, this is first grade, and it's maybe tricky for you guys to do it. So here's the math. Let's read it. Addition puzzles. So we know it's addition. Addition means plus. I always thought you cover addition and then it will be add. So let's read it. Addition puzzle. Use the clues to solve these addition puzzles. To find the number, cross out the answer to each clue in the square on the right. They actually mean, so we need to find the number. It's not 5 plus 4 or 3 plus 2. So 5 plus 4 equals 9, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Cross it out. It's not 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 equals 3, we cross it out. It's not 2 plus 2. Cross it out, 4. Because 2 plus 2 equals 4. It's not 3 plus 4. We cross out 7 because 4 plus 3 equals 7, or 3 plus 4 equals 7. Switch up the numbers, your answer is the same. 4 plus 4, 8. Cross it out. 4 plus 2, 6. Cross it out. 1 plus 1, 2. Cross it out. Cross it out. Now, what number we have left is 1. Do you know why we have 1 left? Because when you add them all up, they don't represent 1. Like, for example, 1 plus 1 doesn't make 1, doesn't equal 1. 4 plus 2 doesn't equal 1. So 1 is our number in here. Here. 5 plus 1, 6. We need to cross 6 out. Or 5 plus 4, 5 plus 3, or 3 plus 5 equals 8. Same thing. Maybe I'm going to mix up the numbers so you guys could understand. If you change up the numbers, your answer is the same. So 2 plus 5 equals 7. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 1 plus 3. Switch up the numbers. Equals 4. Or 2 plus 1 equals 3. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Just the easy one. 1 plus 0 equals 1. When we add these numbers up, did it get to 9? No. So our number is 9. So we had 1 here and 9 here. I hope you guys understand what we did in here, because it was really easy and maybe it made you guys tricked up. Next one. Here's my page. Let's read this. Use a table. Smart Alec goes fishing. On Monday, he caught 2 crabs. On Tuesday, he got 4 crabs. Wednesday, he caught 6 crabs. If the pattern continues, how many crabs will he catch on Thursday? How many will he catch on Friday? The first thing you need to know is how to solve the problem. Helpful hint. It gives you a hint. When you solve problems, sometimes it helps to make a table like the one below. Okay, they're helpful and they give us a table. So let's look at the table. And always, first thing you need to know is what is it counting by? How do you know it? You look at the first number, it's 2. You still need to look at the next number because maybe they'll make a mistake. Everyone makes a mistake. So it's counting by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. I know my 2 times table. 8. What will be on Friday? They already gave us the answer for Thursday. It's 8. And Friday, it will be 10 because 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. When you count by 2, it gives us 10. Do we need to find Saturday? They didn't say. Well, for us, let's do it for us so we could be mathematicians. 10. After 10, times table. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. After 10 comes 12. These will be really easy. What is the pattern? When we started, we said the pattern is counting by 2s. So the pattern is counting by 2. We did it. So this is end of our math. And now let's move on to writing. So in writing, we're gonna do page 4 and 5. So this is almost the starting page. I have many friends. Let's read it. What are they saying? Use a capital letter for the word I. D, and I play ball. So D. Who's D? Did Smart Alec have a friend named D? If you know, comment down below if Smart Alec had it. They're using the little I capital. And we need to follow that rule and use the letter I capital. And you almost need to check out. Check what you did. So, Dee and I play ball. So D, maybe it's the cat. And I means Smart Alex. If you say I after a sentence, it'll make sense. Let's move on to the next one. Write the word I in the sentence. So, Lily and blank see a cat. We're talking about the letter I in here. And let's try words. Lily and A see a cat. No, it doesn't really make sense. Lily and E see a cat. No. Lily and I see a cat. Makes sense. Lily and O see a cat. Doesn't make sense. So it's I. And they actually told the answer for each one of them. Capital, capital, capital. I always need to see a capital. Judy and blank have 2 green bats. So blank. If we throw this iron, let's write it. If we throw this iron, does it make sense? I don't know, but we didn't read it yet. Jude and I have 2 green balls. It does make sense. Now, let's read the next one. Well, it's not a reading. We need to do it by ourselves because they actually told us, and now we need to do it by ourselves. Write a sentence using the word I. Well, I could say, Holly and I go to school every day. Let me write. And I go to school every day. Now, and I. What did we learn today? To write the letter I small. Right? No, to write the letter I big. Capital letters. I didn't write capital letters, so you need to correct me. You guys need to say, write with the capital letters. Let me erase it. It's a board one. Like a board. You write with a dry marker. Now let's read it. Holly and I go to school every day. I'm using a marker because this is erasable book. I could write and then erase. For example, I could write something in here and erase it with the eraser. Like this. Here, another one. Erased it. Maybe I could erase this, page 4, what I circled. And page 5, which are we gonna do? Here. Let's do this page. Smart. Let's do this page. Smart Alec and Judah wrote these names. Color the names, write them correctly with red or yellow. I don't want to color them with the yellow because when I color it, it gets here. So I'm going to color with the color red, which I did. Color the names, writing incorrectly with orange. I don't have orange with me yet, so I'm just going to put X on the ones that are incorrect. Okay? So, we have 2 things. We have to find the names. We have to find 2 names. We have to find names that are written correctly, and we have to find names which are incorrectly written. So, let's find the correct ones first. With red is Smart Alec. We don't know yet, but it did start with a big little. Yes. So we should color that one in. Here, I'm gonna put a check. I don't want to color it in. I'm just gonna put a check. Now it's our job to find. We need to find. And that's why I am, guys, teaching you how to start with a capital letter and find. Use capital letters to begin the name of people. They give you a hint. Look at the words and they need to start with a capital letter. And that's its correct one. So Alexa, is it starting with a capital letter? Yes, so we need to check it. Isaac, is it starting with a capital letter? Yes. Lily, is it start with a capital letter? No. Well, people do this. They say this how L writes. This how people write L. So I'm just gonna put a check. No, but that's not how you do it. This box is giving us a hint. So this is wrong. Next one, smart Alec. We did one, but there's wrong one and right one. Well, is it start with a capital letter? No, right? And is it starting with a capital letter here? No. So we need to put an X on it. David, is it started with a capital letter? Yes. So we must put a check on it. Check. David, is it starting with a capital letter in here? No, it's starting with a lowercase letter. So we must put X on it. Isaac, we have the same thing. Memorize his friend's name. So it'll help you when you're writing. Like when we do some writing, we could take one of his friends out. Isaac, does it start with a capital letter? No, so we put a X. Lily, is it starting with a capital letter? It's starting with a capital letter. It's starting with a capital letter. Alexa, is it starting with a capital letter? No. So this is end of our first grade writing. Now let's do some reading. So it's still first grade and we're doing reading comprehension. So we're gonna do this page. Let's read it. We have fun. Meg can ride the horse. She will ride the horse that is near the tree. We know she could ride the horse. Why is she gonna ride the horse which is near the tree? Maybe she's going to tell why in the next sentence. The horse can go fast, so it could go fast. And she wants to near the tree. Smart Alec can see a big dog near the horse. It doesn't really look like a big, but when you see it closer, it's big. So this horse is near the tree and Smart Alec can see a big dog near the horse. So this is the horse and this is the dog. It's near the horse. Two horses, but I think it's near this horse. This horse is near the tree and the dog is near the horse. That big dog likes to run and play. So he's saying that's why he picks the dog, because he can run and play. He or she. Smart Alec and Meg will have fun. At the end, when you read a story or nonfiction, at the end, you solve the problem. It's solved. And then it's like in fairy tales, happily ever after. But they said, Smart Alec and Meg will have fun. Let's read the questions and answer them. Story questions. Read the question. Look back in the story for the answer. Circle the correct answer. The horse can go slow. Let's go back because they said me to go back. We actually need to find the word horse can go in here. I found it. Horse can go fast. I didn't say the horse can go? No. And it doesn't even make sense. B is our correct answer. B is our correct answer. Meg and Smart Alec will read. Is it talking about reading here? No, it's talking about having fun. Even when you look at the title and at the end of the story, it's about having fun. It's not about singing. It's not about reading. It's having fun. Have fun. That's it. Next one. Write the word that begins with the same letter. For example, they're trying to say like the word fun. It starts from F. So you go to letter F and then you write the letter fun, like this one. I want to do letter like. It starts with L. I look back in here and I write the letter. Next one. P. Play goes here. So let's cross out the ones that we did because maybe it will mix up you. Next one. Run. Next one. Said. Cross out said. Next one. That. Like when you say, that horse can go fast. You're saying that that's the best horse. We need to cross out. You, and makes the sound. And when you say the ABCs, when it's you's turn, you say you. You don't say but the sound of it is Maybe we're gonna learn this in our next lesson. Learn the sounds of it. Maybe. It's W. Need to put we and cross it out. So we did all of them, and I hope you like our reading comprehension first grade and learned something. I hope you learned something from everything that we did. For example, math, reading, and writing, things from them. And I also hope you guys try it at home or somewhere. You could do it everywhere. So guys, my today's lesson is over. I hope you could learn some things from my videos. If you have some comments or suggestions, please leave your comments for my videos. That's it for me for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Bye.
See you next time. Bye-bye.